Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Davida Flowers with Majestic Greens Farm. Good morning, Davida.
Good morning, Kristi. How are you?
I'm doing well, and I'm so excited to have you on the show because you are going to talk to us about an upcoming floral crafting workshop that you are hosting. Davida, can you tell us why this series focuses on flowers?
So I am actually a flower farmer. I live on a farm that's a little bit north of Bowling Green. We're in Oakland, called Majestic Greens Farm. And my husband, he does vegetables and I do flowers. We do that basically through a kind of a subscription service. So weekly, our customers come to us, they pay a certain amount and they get to have flowers and vegetables that they would otherwise get at the grocery store. Flowers are very close to my heart. I'm very avid about local economics and local and supporting our makers and our growers and things like that. And so out of this, basically this passion for the flowers and just what they do for me in my life, I've stumbled on something called floriculture and what that looks like. And it's basically taking flowers out of kind of just this appreciative, pretty, aspect and taking them into a more practical aspect.
Well, I think the community is very lucky to have you, and I know that I'm excited about the workshop. Can you tell us about the later workshops in the series?
The first two workshops that I will be hosting are going to be later in August. It's going to be 2 days, but they will be identical. So it's August 24th, and this will be on a Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. We are so fortunate to partner with Warren County Public Library. This will be at the Bob Kirby branch. Both events, both dates. The second one will be August 28th, which is on a Sunday. And this one will be from 2 to 4 p.m. Same location at the Bob Kirby branch of the Warren County Public Library. And this will be the Floral Crafting Workshop. So we will walk through the symbolism of flowers. We will talk a little bit about the history of basically what floriculture is and how women have participated and really been on the forefront of a lot of social change and a lot of transforming of their own lives through work with flowers, whether that be in the sciences, whether that be in agriculture or some other kind of business venture. And then we will make our own crafts. So it will really be an opportunity for women to come together and girls as well, to connect, to be able to reflect, have conversations and to create something together. And all of this is kind of possible through KFW. This is the Kentucky Foundation for Women, which gave me a grant to be able to even do this series.
Is there an RSVP date that you need to hear back from?
Absolutely. So the floral crafting workshops that people RSVP, the link is www.tinyurl.com/floral crafting.
All right. Now, why is this series geared towards women and girls?
So I said earlier that what is making this series possible actually is I received a grant from the Kentucky Foundation for Women, KFW. They have two separate grants that people can apply for every year. I applied for the Art Meets Activism grant. And what this organization does, KFW, is they allow for the support of artists who are women to be able to engage their communities. So I applied, I said I wanted to do these workshops and they funded the money. And so it was very important to me, as well as this organization, to also to bring in women specifically to engage them in the community.
Davida, if someone is watching and they want to attend these workshops and this series, what is the best way for them to get in touch with you or to sign up?
If you are on Instagram, direct messaging me is the best way. It's at Davida's Flowers. The website is pretty much is going to have all of the local information that I've talked about. So www.majesticgreensfarm.com/events. And you may even be able to find my email on there.
Davida, thank you so much for being with us today. You are truly doing wonderful work in the community. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.